The Cherokee 4WD is a versatile mobile robot jeep platform. The high-strength aluminum alloy body material provides flexibility in rapid movement, especially in outdoor grass, gravel, sand, or sloppy surface. It's compatible with the most popular microcontrollers like Uno, Mega 2560, Romeo, etc. Cherokee embedded the L298P motor driver, which allows you to drive two 6 to 12 volt DC motors with a maximum 2 ampere current. The integrated two-way DC motor driver, XB and APC220 socket, allows you to start the project immediately without any additional motor driver or wireless shield. The expansion plate board largely increases the surface area for Cherokee, allowing you to easily connect a 9-gram micro servo or a standard servo in two different locations, so you can easily install robotic arm or ultrasonic IR sensors. So you want to get mobile with your Arduino or other microcontrollers, and you're unsure where to start, this 4WD robotic platform is perfect for you. With this well-designed, Arduino-compatible mobile robot developer platform, you can build it and program it easily with tons of published codes. Just add an Arduino or other microcontroller, motor shield, and power supply. Now you're ready to roll.